What does 100,000 views on YouTube pay you? Let's take a look. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Check the notification bell to be notified of anytime I have new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. You're gonna get a free membership there, free websites, free training, a very large community of like-minded people to help you out make money online, and lots of money too. Anyways, let's get into this. So first of all, there's lots of different factors that play into how much money you're going to earn on your YouTube channel per view. It's really comes down to what kind of channel you have, because advertisers pay more for different kinds of channels. For example, pranks get paid very low. Music is actually probably the second lowest. Gaming, vlogs, cars, makeup, I'm going up the ladder here. Credit, finance, real estate, investing, e-commerce, and when you start getting into those, making money stuff online, that's when you start getting more and more and more investing and stuff like that. But it does pay differently for each thing here. So let's take a look at this. This is one of my other channels. It's primarily a music channel. I produce music, I write songs, I do reviews of different things and stuff like that. This just happens to be a thumb piano video that I made a while back that has over 100,000 views at the moment. And again, this is a lower paying channel. So in the last 28 days, I made $9.33. That's with 5,000, almost 6,000 views, and with 7,000 watch minutes. That's going to play a factor too. I got 11 new subscribers from this. But let's go back to the beginning. Since upload, lifetime of the video. Okay, so over 100,000 views, 144,000 watch minutes. I gained 169 subscribers from this, and I made a whopping total of $135.84. So as you can see, it's not a lot of money on these music channels. I've had my music channel for a long time. I've been making money on YouTube for a couple years, just doing videos with reviews. But another thing you can do with this kind of video is put an affiliate link in there, and you can make even more money. So if I go to the video here, you're gonna see I have a link to Amazon, and that's how I even make more money from these kind of videos. Now you're allowed to do this. You have to just, when you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, you have to notify Amazon of all your websites and all your identities, if it's a website or if it's YouTube. So you have to tell them that. And look, there's ads on here, as you can see. And then I'm going to scroll down, and right in the top I have one on Amazon. I also have a blog post about this, so you could check those out as well, and you can make even more money from the affiliate marketing stuff. Now I'm not going to tell you how much money I made exactly from this one, because I'm not going to log into my Amazon account and figure all that out right now. But if you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, check out my #1 recommendation in the top of this video description below, because they're going to give you 2 free websites. You get a free membership, you get free training. There is a paid tier if you want to upgrade, and that's great. If you don't, there's enough free stuff there to check it out if it's something for you. It's really cool. Like I said, there's a large community of people there as well to help out, and it's what I use. I think there's a 1.5 million users at the moment in there. So check that out, folks. Please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I'm gonna do some more of these type of videos. I have one video close to hitting 1 million on my music channel. I'll do that, sooner as well. Anyways, folks, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.